And because we are using our HexClads, we could use...
Don't scratch the base. And then the spoon.
You can.
Can you?
Yes. That's what I'm saying, dude. With HexClads, you can use metal utensils. Were you not listening to what I said, Curtisio?
Yes!
So, HexClad have sent us some care packages. They have sent us some cooking pans. We've got a saucepan and we have got a hybrid pan. So you can use it as a saucepan or a frying pan. I've been so excited to work with HexClad and partner with them. Honestly, they are ridiculous pans. But anyway, enough talking, let's actually get unboxing. I'm so excited, I'm so excited.
It's like Christmas.
I genuinely haven't opened these as well, so I do not know what it's gonna look like. Oh, okay, so this is the 10-inch hybrid. Oh, are we ready? I assume that's the lid. This is what we want to open. Oh, look at it. Absolutely beautiful. You can use metal utensils on this thing, and it is also super good at retaining heat as well. And it's firm, it's heavy as well. It's good, it's not like lightweight and flimsy. The handle is super firm. Anyway, let's get on to the 3QT hybrid pot with lid, 20 centimetre. And this is good because we're about to make a bechamel sauce in it as well. Right. All right. Again, lifetime warranty.
Great packaging.
Great packaging. Look at the depth of that. Mate, I love them. I'm so excited. I love them. We're gonna make an unbelievable bechamel sauce in this. Look at the depth on it. Again, weighty. HexClad, truly thank you. I'm so excited to use these. We have some amazing cooking vlogs coming from next week, so make sure you are ready by hitting the notification button on my YouTube account, following, liking, subscribing and commenting on all videos. Peace out, people.